Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a store to my Wix website. So simply click on add elements, then you're gonna have to simply scroll down and click on store, and then simply choose any of these product showcase elements, and then you're gonna have to simply click on it and add it to your page. And basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on manage products, and then you can simply start adding your own products. And I already made a tutorial about how you can change the price, how you can set up shipping. So if you want, make sure to check that out. So simply click on new product, and then all of the product that you add, they're gonna be right here and people can start buying them right away. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.